Oh my god, it's like 6:30 in the morning and my uncle and aunt got me up for breakfast. It's way too dang early.
Really? You think?
Yes, lady, I think. Ooh, fruit in the morning. Ooh, eggs Benedict and some French fries. Mick and Colleen finally arrived and caught up. They were driving this right here, but it was getting like 100 miles to a tank of gas, which is expensive because it costs like $50 to fill this up. So he's gotten a diesel truck while here, and I think that'll do better pulling that. My uncle is going to buy this off of him so he doesn't have to worry about this vehicle. 350 Super Duty diesel. Yeah, he should have no problem with this because that sucker right there is huge to have to tow. It's also a 4x4. And also, my uncle built this for him. It's a tray so he can store his cylinders out here, propane cylinders. Also, he has some gas cans he's gonna store and a generator. That'll be nice so he doesn't have to store it inside. Breakfast was good, but I had to go back to bed because it was way too early for me. Anyways, I'm gonna head over and see my mother because I haven't seen her since I've been here, and I've been here probably a week now. So yeah, I'm gonna go see her. She was a little busy earlier this week and I didn't get in touch with her. So anyways, yeah, let's go see her. Who's the Moo-moo? Ready to go see Grandma? Yes? Yes? Outside. Come on, Moo-moo. You gotta go pee-pee? Go ahead, go pee-pee. Hey, Mama. What you doing? Well, since today is my last day here in San Antonio, I decided to take my mom to Teppanyaki, and I treated her to some buffet. Sushi. Yum. I haven't spent any time with my sister because my sister no longer lives here. She took a job in Washington State, and that's where they're living now, so I won't be able to see my sister this trip, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm just going to enjoy this buffet and then head back to the house, and I'll probably get going soon. I love sushi. Yum, 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 yum. What'd you get? Ah. Sushi buried under a bunch of stuff.
I got kale.
Oh, you got seaweed salad? Yeah, that's really good. I love the seaweed salad. It's pickled seaweed though. Yummy salad.
Your food?
Yeah. Sampler platter. Got a little meat. Well, actually a lot of meat. And mushrooms and all that other stuff. What'd you get? Fruit?
Fruit.
Oh, that looks good. Oh, I'm so full, but I had to leave room for some green beans and some ragoon. Last but not least, the dessert. chocolate ice cream. Forget what that's called. What is that called? The cake.
I don't know. Chocolate cake?
No. Anyways, it looks good and yummy. Yum yum dessert. Oh. Time to go to the mall. Oh, I'm so full and stuffed. Did you get full?
I like to throw up.
Look, y'all, it's redneck heaven. Puddin would probably like that.
Who?
Puddin, a friend of mine.
Really?
Yeah. Look, they even have a car wash with naked people. Bye, oh crazy birds. Hi, Mama.
Bye.
I'll see you the next time, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
Don't forget your stuff.
I won't. Be careful.
Oh yeah. You be careful.
I am being careful.
You stand in front door. Okay, baby.
Alright, bye, Mama. Love you. Last thing I gotta do is pack my bike up. That way we can get going soon. It's been really awesome staying here at my aunt's house. I've had a blast. I always love visiting family. But it's time to head south, and we're gonna go down to Padre Island. I'm excited to see everyone that's there already. Yep, so Colene and Mick are gonna follow me down there, and we're gonna leave here in just a moment. Bye, Freakoid. Alright, bye. I love y'all.
Love you, sweetie.
Bye, y'all.
And then we'll make plans from there.
Why are y'all saying bye? Y'all are following me.
Which way are we going?
Tires on the back.
South.
That way?
Yes. Well, no, we're gonna turn right here. We're gonna turn right there, so. Alright, time to get on the road.
Yeah.
We made it to the Walmart at Pleasanton. I'm gonna do some stocking because there is nothing.
Northwest, then turn right.
I'm going to stock up here at the Walmart and then get back on the road. We are probably about 140 miles away from Padre Island, so thanks for hanging out with me today, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Mwah.